In this video, I will show you how to delete Telegram account. The first thing you need to do is open up your Telegram settings. Go and tap on the settings button in the bottom right of the navigation bar, just like so. Then, scroll down the settings until you get to the bottom, where it says Telegram FAQ. Click there. After you've opened the FAQ, locate the contents. To do that, all you need to do is scroll up. In this section, locate your account, and you should see the option to delete your Telegram account. Click here, and it'll take you straight to the section. Now, go to the deactivation page by clicking on Deactivation page. Enter your Telegram phone number. After submitting your number, return to Telegram to get your confirmation code. Mine is at the top here, and you'll see a login code. Type code you Telegram sent to you. After entering your confirmation code, click on Sign In at the bottom. You'll then be taken to the Delete Your Account page. It says if you delete your account, all your messages and context will be deleted and beyond retrieval. Remember this and read through it. You can then provide a reason for why you're leaving. Finally, tap on Delete My Account at the bottom. That's it. Your account will be deleted. If you found this guide useful, consider leaving a like. Thanks for watching.